Hello everyone, it's been a while since I have posted my last video. Now in this video I am going to showcase you my machine learning model that I have created. First of all, let's see what's a machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. What it does is it collects data from various sources, from environment and various sources, and it provides algorithms to learn from those data to arrive or achieve an output. Just like how we humans collect data from the surroundings, we learn from the data that has been abundant from this environment. Like for example, we see the sky and we see it's blue. So we learn from it that if the thing is blue in the upper world, then we can conclude that it is a sky. So similarly, these machines will also learn from the data that it is provided. That being said, I will showcase you my machine learning model. I have created my machine learning model using a tool called as the teachable machine tool. Let's see what's inside. Okay, now we are going to see how to develop or design a machine learning model. To do this, we are going to go to a website called as teachable machine. So I have typed it in Google and here's the website. In this website, let's click get started. Since I am going to build a machine learning model based on the image samples, I'm going to click image project and I'm going to click standard image model. Here you can see different classes. These image models will be developed using these classes. We can have n number of classes by clicking on add class. Okay. For example, we can upload the image samples either via webcam, or we can upload images from the file manager from the computer. I'm going to click webcam. Here you can see the webcam is turned on and I am the image sample. I'm going to click on hold to record. Here you can see there are multiple image samples of me is getting produced. So I'm going to flex my face so that it can record various samples of my, like this input. I am an input. So I'm going to, okay, this is enough. So totally 550 image samples have been created. I'm going to name this class as human. Now, similarly, I'm going to create another class, but this time the sample will be my mobile phone. So let's create the samples. So I'm going to show various aspects of mobile phone: vertical, horizontal, display side, top view, the bottom, speaker area, side, and the button view, camera module, diagonal section, every possible way I have created now. Okay, for this class also I have created nearly 530 image samples, and I'm going to name this class as mobile phone, human and mobile phone. Just for giving you a sample, I have used just two classes. If you want, you can have n number of classes. Now let's train the model. As you can see, the model is being trained. you can see the text preparing training data. You can see the model is being trained, and it shows the time that is being taken to train this model. Okay, now you can see the model is being trained. Now what we are going to do is we are going to give an input to this model, and this model will learn from the given samples and will produce the output whether if this input is one of those classes or not. We can provide the input via webcam, or we can also upload a file like you can see here. Webcam or a file. Since I have turned on the webcam is on. Okay, now you can see in this output place that it's showing 100% human. Since I'm a human, and from the training samples that I have provided, the machine learning algorithm learns from those image samples and provided this 100% output. Now I'm slowly taking in my mobile phone. Now you can see that it's showing mobile phone. Now I'm showing my mobile phone with the case on. Let's see what happens. But the moment I have provided the image samples without the case. Now let's see how the machine learning algorithm learns and tells whether what type of output this one is. As you can see, it's fluctuating. Yeah, 100%. Side view. But have you noticed that there's a fluctuation here? So what it tells is, what it notifies us is, no machine learning algorithm is 100% perfect. Just like humans, these machines will also learn from these errors. So the errors that it made in this session or in this input, it will take it and it will consider it and use it from here on. If you want, you can also export this model. If you export, it will export in this format, tensorflow.javascript format, or you can also export in TensorFlow format. You can upload it and share it as a link, or you can also download it as a JavaScript file. You can also download this model, and the model will be downloaded. Now that you have seen my machine learning model that I have created using the Teachable Machine tool, I am really happy that you have seen my model. Please do know in the comment section whether the model that I created, is it workable? Do you like it? Are there any changes that you want me to correct? And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.